In today's video, I'm going to give you a lot of information about something called age skin spots. Some of you call them liver spots or the sun spots. Many of those are true, but in today's video specifically, we're going to discuss a best vitamin that really can help you. It is not just too much sun if you have age skin spots, and it's just not you getting older. If you have those dark spots or hyperpigmentation or uneven color on your hands and face, the problem is probably much deeper than surfaced your skin. It is often a warning sign that your body is under massive oxidative stress, and it is a sign that your cells are rusting. Modern medicine will try to sell you expensive lasers or chemical peels to burn them off. But if you don't fix the internal chemistry, they will simply return. Today I will show you the single most important vitamin to remove those spots, vitamin C. And please, just stay with me, because at the end of the video I will give you a specific powerful natural recipe using horseradish and apple cider vinegar that you can make at home to erase those natural age skin spots. And for the last 26 years I'm working with the patient, especially with those skin conditions, and many of you, like never before in history, are getting older and older and older. Many people right now with 50 and 60 years of age are looking like a lot older. If you look people maybe 20 or 30 years ago, they were a lot healthier, and they was looking a lot better than many people are today. Now let's talk a little bit about why those age skin spots really appear and what is exactly oxidative stress that causes all those age skin spots. So what causes the spots? It is oxidative stress. Think of it as an apple. If you cut apple and leave it on the table, it turns brown. Why? Because it reacts with oxygen. It is oxidating. The same thing happens on your skin. Environmental pollutants, smoking, and dangerous solar radiation are the main factors of premature aging. They increase the production of free radicals in the skin, and a large amount of those free radicals cause oxidative stress. And eventually this leads to accumulation of melanin, the pigment in one spot. So when you see those dark brown spots on your skin, this is called hyperpigmentation, or specifically this is melanin, one dark pigment that especially appear on those types of your skin, on your face, on your neck, maybe on your arms, where you have those oxidative damage the most. But I'm going to give you two more pieces of information that more dermatologists ignore. The number one, insulin resistance. Another main reason for appearances of age skin spots is a resistance to insulin and diabetes. When your blood sugar is unstable, your skin creates more pigment. And number two, the liver. We call them liver spots because the natural medicine, the skin, is in the mirror of the liver. If your liver is overwhelmed with toxins and cannot filter the blood properly, those toxins manifest on the skin as a dark spots. So treating the spots only from the outside is like painting over the crack inside the wall without fixing those foundations. So there was four main reasons why you have those age skin spots. It's going to be sun damage, it's be chronic deficiencies of vitamin C and zinc, it's going to be liver problems, and of course it's going to be insulin resistance and diabetes. And how many of you, especially after 50 years and older, have all those problems combined? And we are not surprised that we have all those age skin spots after 50 years and older. Hero ingredient vitamin C. This brings us to the solution, by far the most important vitamin for preventing and removing age skin spots is vitamin C. Healthy skin contains high concentration of vitamin C, and your skin needs vitamin C to fight against pollution and UV radiation. But here is the tragedy: when our skin is exposed to the sun, or smoke, or stress, the skin is depleted of vitamin C immediately. And this is why the main reason why you have chronic deficiency of vitamin C, especially on your skin, and you don't realize it. But you have all those skin problems. You have age skin spots, you have the wrinkles, you have dryness of the skin. In the most cases, you will need everyday vitamin C. If you do not replenish vitamin C, the shield of your skin fails and you get age spots. But vitamin C does something else that is crucial. It is necessary for biosynthesis of collagen. Collagen is protein that acts as the main building blocks of the skin. And in fact, the inner dermis layer is about 75% collagen. Without vitamin C, your body literally cannot make collagen. And your skin becomes thin, it cracks, wrinkles grow visibly, and age spots appear. And importantly, vitamin C is a regular stimulant of melanin. Melanin is the pigment responsible for the color of your hair and the skin. But when it's produced in chaos, your age skin spot is visible, and there's many other stuff that you really need for your age skin spot, and you really need vitamin C. Did you understand me, my dear viewers? You will have those age skin spots because in the most cases you have chronic deficiency in vitamin C, and you cannot fix it overnight. This is unbelievably important for you to understand. Okay, I'm gonna give you a natural DIY recipe. Now talking vitamin C internally is the first step, but I promise you special recipe. Modern medicine usually prescribes hydroquinone or expensive bleaching creams. Those can be toxic and irritate the skin. I will recommend you a wonderful recipe that acts as a natural peel and supplying a large amount of vitamin C and stimulation directly to the spots. We will make paste using horseradish and apple cider vinegar. Here is how you make it. Please write this down. You will need 50 milliliters of organic apple cider vinegar, a small piece of fresh horseradish, 2 small spoons of jojoba oil of aloe or aloe vera gel. First, take the container and add 50 milliliters of vinegar. Then grate the small piece of horseradish into it. Horseradish is incredibly stimulating for circulation and rich of antioxidants. Finally, add 2 small spoons of jojoba oil. The oil is necessary to protect the skin so the vinegar does not burn you. Mix everything well. You want consistency that can stay on the skin. And how you can apply it: if you mix those kind of mixtures, you have age skin spots on your skin, on your face, whatever, you just put those cream or this paste directly on your age skin spots, leave it 20 to 30 minutes, and then you wash those cream or those paste. And you can make those kind of procedure maybe 1 to 2 times daily, maximum 7 to 14 days in a row. Then you will need 7 to 40 days rest period. You cannot use this kind of paste 365 days a year, but in moderation it really can help you remove those visible age skin spots in a safe and natural way. This is not overnight change, it is progressive stabilization of the system. The spots took years to form, they will take some time to fade. But if you combine this topical paste with 2000 to 3000 milligrams vitamin C internally, you will see a lot of progress. Usually you will need a couple thousand international unit vitamin C daily with your food or good quality supplements. Those paste is perfect from the outer layers, but you must take your vitamin C inside your body. As I said 1,000 times before, because you damage your skin maybe 5, 10, 20 years, your skin spots, they cannot remove so easily. With vitamin C, I'm going to recommend you, of course, zinc and practicing something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is so perfect for your skin. Intermittent fasting, vitamin C, zinc, and you really must pay attention to the sun exposure, and you really must pay attention to everyday diet. And of course, chemical medication. Unhealthy diet, lot of processed food, lot of sugar, lot of white flour or whatever that you eat each day, lot of chemical medication. You are depleting yourself from those important minerals and vitamins, and it is not strange that you have age skin spots all over your body. My dear viewers, thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. My name is Mario. I am European medical professional with over 26 years clinical experience working with the patient all around the world. My core expertise include nutrition, natural medicine, physical therapy, and rehabilitation. Through my MarioLab natural healing programs, I have helped thousands of people every year improve their health, regain mobility, reduce chronic pain and chronic diseases, and restore the quality of life. And those programs may help you as well. If you would like to visit my clinic in person, or if you prefer my personal phone consultations without traveling, my team and I are here to help you. Contact us via Viber or the WhatsApp at the phone number +385 98 9179 200. Your health deserves serious, professional, and individual approach. Thank you for following me. See you next time.